everyone. Welcome to Scratch Coding Ninja. Hello everyone. So today's topic is going to be about color sensing. So instead of actually just talking about all the little pieces, we're gonna make a big project together. This project is gonna be like a piano, except you have a piano sprite-like thing, and we're gonna use the color detection to play everything. Let's start this. The first what I want you to do is you go to this thing here, add extension, and first of all we wanna have go to the third one, video sensing. Click that, and you have a group of extensions. And the second extension we want is music, the first one you see here. Alright, so as you can see, the camera is on. So first of all, we want to say when green flag is clicked, turn video on and set video transparency to however you like. I like it as 25. So yeah, so that's how it's gonna be like. And now we delete the scratch cat, and I want you to make a mini piano. So in order to do that, you go to choose a sprite, paint, go to fill. Fill is saturation 0, brightness 100, outline, click this option here with this red line across it, so there's no outline. So, and then you make a rectangle, and then you make another rectangle. You make another rectangle for one of the keys. Duplicate this, and then have this cursor icon and move this to the left. That's what, and then the last sprite before we mainly just do the duplication is to have fill black, brightness 0, and you have this little thing. So I know it looks bad, but what I want you to do is you have your white keys, and then yeah, like sort of like this. So that's not the best piano. I'll make another one, but here is basically what you want. So it's you just wanna gonna duplicate it. So I'll meet you up once we've created the piano. Hello guys. So as you can see, I've created my piano. Now the next thing we are going to want to do is to make add the code. So when you're adding the code, you're gonna want to have when green flag's clicked, of course you just switch on the camera, set transparency to 25. You don't need to do it since it's going to always be like that, but you can still have it there still. So what I want you to do is that you go to the forever loop, forever, and then we're gonna have an if statement. Now, when you're using color sensing, if touching color, as you can see, I'm having this, but normally white, just plain normal white works for me. So white is just color 0, saturation 0, and brightness 100. So that's how you make white here. If touching color white, then go to music and say play. No, I do know a bit of music, so in this case, sprite 2 is right here, and that is a D. This note. Or, I mean, you don't have to know music because you have all the notes down here. So yeah, and we're gonna have to do it for the rest of the notes. So try 11. It'll take a while, so yeah, I'll meet you up once I finished. Hello guys, so as you can see, I've created this piano-like thing where I have arranged their colors. Also, if you don't have white like I do, like this paper, you can use the eyedroppers tool where you can choose any color that you want. Should work. Yeah, like that. It's just a bit laggy down here, but hopefully you understand. But I have white, so so it works just like that. So now let's check out how it works, if it's good or not. Yeah. It works pretty well. Pretty well. So I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and I also hope that you found this cool, and especially and also for also I just remembered that you can also use your finger. You can, like again I said that maybe you can go to sensing, touching color, you can have the eyedropper tool, then you can then put your finger on the eyedropper thing. It's a bit sensitive, so it might fluctuate colors, but yeah, you could sort of choose a color depending on what you want. So yeah, like again, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson and especially this project. And I guess I'll just see you next time. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified when I upload my next video.